All right, we're here with Ramzy. How you doing, Ramzy?
Good. How you doing, Russ?
Good. Always good to see
Well,
you. Tell us the name of your company and the niche that you and your other two partners are working in right now in recruiting.
yeah. So, name of the company is BioPulse Talent. We launched about a month ago. Been with Recruitemy for about 4 months now, I believe.
Actually, I checked earlier, 3 months, just coming
Three
up on three
months.
months right now.
Three
Yeah.
months. Yeah,
Yep.
time flies. But yeah, so our niche is in the biotech, health tech, healthcare space. But we kind of work all across the board. We could work in tech. We've had experience, over 20 years experience between all of us as far as working in the recruiting space and have good partners. So yeah, so we all across the board, healthcare, deep tech, health tech, um,
Awesome.
all that.
Yeah. And Ramsey, did you have prior recruiting background before coming on to recruiting me 3 months ago?
I did. So I used to work on the client side or on the employee side as
Yeah.
far as employee experience. So I was training people inside Meta. I used to work at Meta. I was
Cool.
training them on how to interview individuals. So behavioral interviews, technical design interviews. So it was a lot of engineering. And then after that, I went into more of the recruiting side on the looking for candidates, sourcing, recruiting, and all that. So been in it for a while on both ends as far as the employee and client sides.
But this is like your first time actually really running your own business in a sense, your own agency.
100%. Yeah. So
Okay.
we kind of
Awesome.
just figured I've been doing this for a while and we have the experience behind us. We have the networks. We met you and then you kind of hyped us up and we pulled the trigger.
Yeah. What reservations or maybe fears did you have before you met me, before you jumped into recruiting me?
We did a couple different, we were looking at different options on routes to go, on different niches and all that. Honestly, the main reservation was as far as having our own company, have my own business. You have to create it from the ground up, everything from your website, EIN, your contacts and all that. So it's just a matter of not knowing if you understand your niche as well as you should. So that's the main scare, I guess you could call it, as far as okay, maybe I don't know every single term that a scientist would be telling me when we're talking to them, but come to find out a lot of things. We have all the network and research tools out there to look for, different keywords and
Yeah.
we have so many people within Recruitemy that are knowledgeable, right? That you could ask them questions and we all support each other.
Yeah. I know I originally did the consultation call with Claudia, who is in your company. There's three or four of you, right, that are doing this together?
Three of us, yeah.
Three of you. Yep. So when I met with her, I remember for her, it was like she really wanted some kind of defined system in place. Like she felt like maybe she was a little behind the times with technology and recruiting and things that she could automate that would make her life a whole lot easier so she could work on top of the business, not so much inside it. Can you maybe speak to the systems at Recruiting Me and how that's really helped you? I know you mentioned you've got like 12 candidates right now and
Yeah, for sure. The systems have been great, right? I love the CRM. As far as going in it, I'm able to keep contact with everybody, put in a contact. You don't have to go into your email and actually respond to them. You could have everything right there. You could do a text message, an email, has all the templates in there. So as far as like any of the MPCs that we have, I've gone ahead, use the templates, put their picture in a nice little blurb about them. I send that out to the client with the nice little video of them, and it's just different. And that's something that I've talked to individuals at different conferences we go to or whatever. They really enjoy the fact that we do something different. It's not just a resume that you're sending them and saying, hey,
yeah.
this person fits, or look at this, look at these keywords. It's an actual individual behind that resume, an actual video, an actual template that you guys provide, that it looks new age, right? Like it's innovative, it's keeping up with the times. We're not back in like early 2000s anymore, right? So we have to use what we have there. And yeah, the systems have been great. LeadCast, just throwing marketing campaigns out there from LinkedIn Learning. You just transfer it over to LeadCast and you have hundreds of people right there just at your fingertips, just
That's
ready to make a
awesome.
sale.
That's cool stuff. Yeah, it resonates with me because I know there's so many bells and whistles out there and different software tools that we get so dialed in on. But I think standing out and being different because we are in a trust recession nowadays, I call it, where when a hiring manager gets a certain piece of collateral from a recruiter or hears a certain message, like you literally have a second to capture their attention, right? So I always talk about being weird, being different, standing out in this sea of competition is really what separates you from your competition. So
Yeah, no, I really enjoy our calls on Wednesdays as well.
yeah.
Each morning I'm on that on Wednesdays, and it's just you give really good advice, right? People bounce ideas off each other. There's some folks in there that they're really successful. There's some folks that are just starting out. So it's a good dimension of different individuals at different timelines within their journey in this. And it really helps out. We leave that a lot of the time, so we're like, oh, that was a great idea. Really enjoy those. That's definitely one of my favorite things about Recruitemy is just having that camaraderie with everybody. And for example, with Sunil and Yulia, we're going to be doing this happy hour and panel discussions at
Yeah.
the end of this as well.
Yeah, I'm super impressed with the relationships that you've built within the community. Because when you come into Recruitemy, it's opened up to everyone and you do a little welcome to the membership. And then, yeah, people have formed like really good friendships and partnerships. I noticed that you and Sunil and Yulia have really come together. And now you're going to be doing the collaboration at trade shows and hosting a happy hour. Man, that warms my heart to hear that last Wednesday, because that's what it
Yeah.
takes. And I'm really transparent online about the success rates of Recruitemy and the fact that you always show up on Wednesdays, you participate, you're engaged, you're doing the work, you're not treating this like a hobby. And it tends, what I've seen over the past 5 years are those members that really treat it that way have been the most successful. And I see why you're getting a taste of success at such an early stage in the program.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Yeah, no, it's a team effort, right? And everybody helps each other. You've been there to support everyone, and I love your positivity. That's something that I really appreciate about you. It's always very positive vibes and high energy. Some days you don't feel like showing up, right? But everybody feels that way. And, once you come onto a call, you're always got the smile on your face and hyping everybody up. And
Thank you.
it just gives that good boost of energy that we all need at some point.
Yeah, absolutely. I appreciate that. Yeah, look, at the end of the day, we're all solopreneurs, right? A lot of us work from home and or go to a coffee shop, but we're by ourselves a lot. And it's nice to have ways to bounce ideas off different people in the group. And it's almost like having our own little company, but we're not on restricted PTO, which is beautiful. So that's awesome, Ramsey. Yeah, I'm so appreciative of the words that you said. And more importantly, I really care about your success and the team. And I'm honored to work with you. And yeah, is there anything else that you wanted to add before we break away from here?
No, I think I really enjoyed the whole process. We're learning every single day. Some days are hard, some days are a little draining, but other days are really rewarding. And that's the whole point of being a solopreneur, entrepreneur, right? You have to deal with those ups and downs, but end of the day, you're putting in the work and getting out what you put into it. I appreciate everything that you help with, and yeah, it's been awesome.
For the person watching this video who is thinking about starting their own recruiting company, but maybe they're still maintaining a 9 to 5 corporate job, do you feel like the program is designed in such a way for that person to come on board, spend maybe 5 to 10 hours a week and start getting some results?
Yeah, I think it could work. Personally, I this is what I'm doing full time, but I have seen people be successful as far as having a 9 to 5 and doing this. It's just a matter of having those blocks and breaking your time up correctly and being organized. I think if you're organized, you'd be successful in it. It's just a matter of knowing when to work it and not intertwining both things. You just want to be focused on one at one point, focus on the next at the
Yeah.
next few hours. So yeah, I think it's definitely very doable. I don't think that's a blocker at all.
Yeah. Awesome. Look, I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next coaching call next week. And it was awesome having you here today. And thank you so much for all your
Great.
contribution.
Thanks, Russ. I appreciate it.